Yes, Bubbles?
Tonian, where you there?
I'm up on the road ahead for go home.
Your burner just got off the grid. The route them where you usually depend, I know that you depend.
I run a Prinny. I see quick on the surveillance camera and I him alone want come round here.
And you never think say you need to make one of we know that? Tonian, don't make your emotions get the best of you, you know. Cause you look like you take that in your personal. I know say quicker your family, but you can't make your emotions rule you.
Alright, Bubbles. Just 10 more minutes and then I leave.
Alright, 10 minutes.
I told him one time.
Yeah, because I didn't feel far.
Yeah, easy.
Did you talk to the lawyer about the subject?
I want to tell you, you know, we talked to two lawyers, but yeah, I go hold a meeting with him first.
Or
Don't worry about that, I go sort it out. So tell me something. You talk to your manager about how much of money pay back or what?
yeah, we talk to her. I'm not really getting a solid figure, you know? I really don't want to deal with that. I don't want to put that on my head at all, sir.
That's why I tell you say you need a couple people in your corner. Is me? Like your lawyer, your accountant, etc. To deal with them something. So you don't have to focus on that. Because you already have focused on the music.
But Sheldon, Tasha have them people already, the accountant, the lawyer, and everybody in place already to do what I want.
Yeah, but that are fair people and babes. That are fair people and you need your lawyer. You know what? When you get the contract, a fair people I look over it. You need your people and look out for, look for your best interest. You can't say my words and more often say, but you know what you're talking.
Hear what? Like you want me to trust you, you want me incorporating and everything, then you just get them. Just get them and wait on you, so you just get them.
Alright, may I get it done. Get it done.
One more apple. It look like I'm pregnant for true. I know. One more apple and fruit.
Yeah, easy. So like you go, don't have the apple done. So
Let's give over ask for please.
something that you get the test?
You were supposed to buy the test, Sheldon. But I'm afraid.
I never know I need it for buy. You tell me say that go up on the road and that's where you think you get it.
Thank you. One?
No.
I'm afraid. You're not afraid?
No, I'm kinda excited. Anxious.
If I'm pregnant, what kind of baby is that one?
Boy, if you carry me, I don't know.
You want that little mini to just start up some Barbie suit and then something like that?
Wouldn't mind saying we look a princess. I don't know.
That is princess?
One more penny. Then they got on Queenie. No, can't go Queenie. Queenie don't know it already.
Well, if I'm pregnant, I'm starting most holy things like what I'm going to do with the music and everything. You know, aside also because you don't know some design one clothes.
So, but on a different level still. If you get pregnant, you have to put the music business on a pause. You can't sing with a big belly.
No. So I'm going to work out, I'm building not big. I'm too little and sing for a big belly. So what I'm really going to do is like when I move, like when I work up to a certain point, like where the belly is show, what I can manage. You can wear some fluffy clothes and so way, them not really see.
But that might stress you and you don't have your back problem already.
No, I thought nothing negative, sure. I think positive. So me I go alright, you go alright, I'm sure. The baby I go alright, I'm a career I go alright.
But the thing is still, you know, if you're really pregnant, you stress yourself, isn't it, babes?
Nah, stress myself, Sheldon. I'm already have a plan B. Like, my clothes them you see me wear. I go them line, I'm going to do them for myself and print on them, sus gang. the merch that go, like it go just grab everybody.
So that's sus girl alone you go print
Sus gang,
Oh, sus gang.
forever bad. One them. You know them look at something there when we know grab the people when girl them can talk. You ain't got me, I take him and I'm in a business doing something there.
That's
I'm just design them.
Yeah, that's
I'm not gonna upload myself. I can do that from my home. If I get the machine for me for print.
Machine.